promise to constantly remind your husband of his faults, to barely hide your hatred for his friends, and to have your sex life dramatically fall off after the first year?
I do.
And do you promise to leave your dirty socks lying around, even though it pisses her off? To tune her out when she's talking about things you don't give a crap about, and to sometimes act like a short-tempered jackass for no reason?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Count us in! Hashtag JustGotLaid!
Hi, Joy Love!
And Justin.
We will be there at your wedding. See you there! Bye!
Hi Justine and hi Ate Joy Love. Congratulations and best wishes on your big day. Nung una ko pala kayo nakitang magkasama, syempre sa picture pa lang yun kasi malayo kayo sa amin. Alam ko na magkiklik na talaga ang companionship ng dalawa. Pareha kayo masayahin, pareha kayo makwela. At ngayon, finally, officially, married couple na kayo. Bilang kaibigan ni Justin, alam ko na matagal niya na rin tong pangarap at gusto na makita yung babaeng papakasalan niya. And finally, ngayon, mangyayari na talaga. So, as your friend, wish ko na sana magkaroon kayo ng happy family at ipagpatuloy niyo lang yung positive niyo na perspective sa buhay. And God bless sa inyo at sana mas madalas pang pag-uwi sa Pilipinas para mas madalas tayong magkita at magsama. So, congratulations and enjoy your day.
Hi, Doy and Justin. Congratulations on your wedding. Background lang. Friends pala kami ni Joy Love, ni Doy. Doy tawag namin sa kanya. Since elementary. So, yun, elementary hanggang sa high school, pagka-college, ganun din. Constant communication lang, kahit na iba na ang school. Yun, ganyan. So, sa mga kabuang, classmate din. Diba? So, ginaturing ko talaga si Doy na sister from another mother. So, bautista ka na ngayon, Doy. So, parang kapatid na talaga kita. Kay bautista tayong dalawa. Congratulations. Talaga, happy talaga ako para sa inyo ni Justin. Always lang hingin ang guidance ni Lord sa lahat-lahat. And I pray and hope for your happiness. So I believe talaga in Lord's timing. Kasi, di ba Doy, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, sa lahat ng heartbreaks na binigay mo, tsaka yung mga natanggap mo na heartbreaks, di ba, gi-prepare and gi-mold ka talaga ni Lord para sa right person. So, dinaan ka pa niya kung saan-saan, pero gilid ka pa rin niya papuntang Canada. Kasi doon sa Canada, doon mo pala mahanap si forever na si Justin. Pero si Justin, kilala naman natin noon pa. Diba? Friend siya ng ex-friend ko. So, ganyan ba? Parang, i-prepare ka talaga ni Lord para kay Justin. Diba? Tapos sa Canada ka dinala. Tapos nakita mo si Justin. Diba? So, happy talaga ako para sa inyo. Tapos, ano pa ba? Maalala ko tuloy yung mga natin doy, yung mga shenanigans natin. Tama ba yun? Basta yung mga takas-takas natin kay Lolo sa bahay ni Tita Belen, doon sa likod. Hindi tayo payagan ni Lolo na maglaag. Maalala ko lang. Pag doon ako sa inyo matulog, magbakasyon, diba? Mga kabuang natin. Justin, thank you talaga for understanding, Doy. Diba? February ba yan pinanganak? So, topak talaga yan. Diba? Be patient and be understanding lang talaga. Kay Doy. And, maalala ko noon, Doy, ba? Yung text-text pagay kayo ni Justin. Tapos sabi mo, kayo na. Huh? Sa isip ko, nagswak ang personality nitong dalawa. Di ba? Ano natin masabi, yun pala, kayo ang forever. Di ba? Congratulations. I love you so much, Doy. I miss you. And malayo manggod ang kasal mo. So, antayin ko lang kayo makauwi dito pohon. Congratulations ulit. Diba? Tatlong JB. Congratulations ulit. And God bless sa inyong marriage.
Hello guys, welcome sa Marriage Life. Ito ang mga few advices na asawa para sa inyong dalawa.
Hello Justin, congratulations Joylab and Justin. Justin, welcome to the family. Of course, alam mo na. Sa relationship, kailangan God-centered and love each other, respect. Then, if mainit ang ulo ng mister, cool down dapat si Mrs. Init ang ulo ni Mrs., cool down dapat si mister. Kasi kapag hindi, sasabog kayong dalawa. So, give time. And then, sabi kasi ng iba, kailangan dapat pag-usapan ninyo kung ano mga trials o pagsubok. But for me, kapag may itong situation, cool down muna. Saka yun na pag-usapan kapag medyo malamig na. And then, syempre, mahalin nyo ang isa't isa. Pero, piliin nyo ang isa't isa every day. Kasi you cannot love the person every day. Hindi araw-araw gusto mo siya pagsilbihan, hindi araw-araw may pagmamahal, kasi syempre andun yung inis, galit, tampo. So, piliin nyo pa rin yung isa't isa. And then, Justin, thank you for loving Joylab unconditionally. And ate namin yan eh.
Sila lang ha.
Yes. Alam mo naman, Lucaret, no? So, saan pa ba kami magmana? Syempre.
Well, sa akin naman, no? Based sa experience ko na kasama kami ni Rhea, few things lang. Mali mo asawa mo ng unlimited. Puminahal mo siya, everything follows na eh. Respeto, lahat loyalty, everything na. Mahal mo isang tao eh, no? Pero most especially kailangan sa lahat talaga is pasensya sa lahat ng bagay. Both of you dapat, hindi lang pwede isa lang. Both ways talaga everything eh. Tapos pag nangyari yun, siyempre understanding naman sunod, siyempre kung may mga problema na dati sa buhay, mga challenges, hindi na lang dapat yun. Huwag yung masyadong seryosohin ng problema, kasi lahat naman ng problema may solusyon eh, kung gugustuhin yung dalawang partner. Lastly, masabi ko lang is pinakawalang kwentang pag-awayan ng mag-partner is pera. Kasi ano eh, walang kwentang pag-awayan ng pera. Yung nagbibilangan kayo ng sino mas nakagasto, sino lang nakagasto. Siyempre partner kayo eh, ano talaga yung gumagasto kayo. Pero huwag mo bilangan, huwag pag-awayan, kasi napakapangit sa relationship yun. Yun lang. God bless. Sana continue lang yung happiness nyo sa ngayon. Kung ano man.
Sa ngayon.
Oo, kasi masaya sa umpisa eh. May problema, susunod na yan eh.
Pero
sana naman yung
naman.
problem sa yun, alam ko naman na if you're both very sa dalawa at isa, malalampasan yung mga problema yan.
Dapat.
Darating sa inyo.
Dapat. Kasi yun ang tatahakin ninyong landas. Yun ang tatahakin natin.
At
sa
isa pa,
marriage
wala
life.
ako nga. Hindi solusyon agad yung iulit tayo kasi ganito ganyan ka. Everything kailangan pag-usapan. Pag-usapan. No secrets. Kahit nabigla yung sinasabi lang cellphone mo, privacy niya. Hindi. Mag-asawa na kayo eh. no secrets dapat. I can open your cellphone, I can open your cellphone. Both ways. Kasi doon nasisimula yung mga sekreto. Doon nasisimula yung mga away na, bakit niloloko mo na ako? Ganyan, bla 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 bla. So, dapat walang ganun sa relationship na dalawa. Okay?
Okay, congratulations again.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Joy. This is a little bit short message for you. That marriage is not just a company, but you have to accept the pains and suffering in married life. But I know Justin is a good guy. So be happy in your new journey in life. And what God have joined you together, let no man put asunder. Nobody else could separate a couple in the name of God. I love you and more power to your wedding.
Congratulations, Joy and Justin. Happy wedding. Anyak pa mo.
Congrats, Jazz and Joy. Best wishes, Justin and Joy Love. Hindi ko man nasubaybay yung relasyon nyo dalawa. Pero alam ko, kayo talagang itinadhana. Mas iba yung ngiti at saya nyo tuwing magkasama. Iba yung tawanan. Tsaka alam ko masaya na kayo sa naabot nyo ngayon. And message ko kay Joy is, kung hindi ako nakakamali, si Joy is naging kaklase ko siya 3rd year high school. Active sa klase, matalino, mabait. Magaling sa klase. At saka Joy, ingatan mo si Justin. Tsaka alam ko yung definition ng Joy Love is yung Joy, match kayo kasi si Justin, masayahing rin yan. Kwela, bully. Tsaka yung love, given na yun sa inyong dalawa. Mas pupunta lang kayo ngayon sa family na kayo. And kay Justin naman, ingatan mo si Joy. Si Justin, mabait yan, matalino, responsable, matulungin, tapat, tsaka hindi maloloko. Kaya butuhin siya sa election. Hindi, joke lang. Ang message ko lang sa inyong dalawa is palagi nyong nawain ng isa't isa dahil may mga panahong hindi kayo magkaintindihan. Sana hindi kayo mapagod and sana kahit anong mangyari, nandyan kayo pa rin kayo para sa isa't isa. Yun lang. Congrats. God bless.
Hi, Ate Joy and Kuya Justin. Welcome to the world of the married. Congratulations!
People, mabuhay. Chares. To the newlywed couple, Justin and Joy Love, my warmest congratulations to both of you. Finally, at last, you have finally found each other and joined each other in the sacrament of matrimony. So, I hope you can feel how happy we are kahit mas nasa kabilang dulo tayo ng mundo. Ayan. So, sayang kasi hindi kami makakapunta, 'di ba? Kung mayaman lang tayo, di sana makaka-attend kami diyan ng wedding, pero wala tayong budget. Pero yun nga, sabi ko nga, we are very very glad na at last na nagpakasal na and nakasal na kayo dalawa. So, being one of your friends here in the Philippines, congratulations again. Message to, syempre to Justin, ayan, alagaan mo mabuti si Joy Love kasi mahal na mahal namin yan kahit may pagkalukaret yan. Alam mo naman yan si Joy Love, 'di ba? Lukaret din yan. Minsan pag maluwang ang tornilyo sa utak niyan, ako masabi ko sa iyo, 'di ba? And I hope alam mo naman din siguro yun kasi matagal na rin kayong naging magjowa. But please just understand her kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan niya. Kasi yung tornilyo niya kailangan mo lang ibalik para okay na yan siya ulit. Ayan, pagbigyan mo kung ano yung mga gusto niya, yan naman talaga si Joy Love. Simple lang naman din talaga si Joy Love sa pagkakakilala ko, and masaya siyang kasama, and happy-go-lucky yan, walang problema dyan sa kanya. And then please love her unconditionally, kasi yun naman talaga ang kailangan ng mga babae. Please build the trust na kailangan niya or gusto niya para hindi masira ang inyong relationship. Yun nga, syempre lalaki ka, magpaalam ka kung saan ka man pupunta, pero I think wala ka naman siguro mga activities dyan na hindi niya alam, kasi nakikita ko sa mga post ninyo halos magkasama na kayo parati, 'di ba? 'Di ba kayo nagsawa? Charot lang. Okay, to Joy Love naman, I have known Justin since elementary. Si Justin, kuan yan siya. Diyos ko, parang magalit si Justin dito sa akin. Si Justin is, may pagka loko-loko talaga yan siya since elementary. Wala ko nagbago na ba ngayon. Pero, kuan yan siya. Very naughty na kaklase, maingay, malikot. Ayan. Uy, just sorry lang ha, pero yun talaga diba? Pero nag-change na rin naman siguro. Alam ko kilala mo na rin si Justin. Ayan, pero mabait talaga si Justin. Nakita ko naman yung transition niya from as a young boy to a man, 'di ba? So, ayan, to Joy Love, intindihin mo lang si Justin kung anong ugali meron siya. Imposible naman hindi mo pa siya kilala kasi tagal ninyong magjowa, 'di ba? And then yung mga online games niya, alam ko may online games yan si Justin. Leisure time na lang yan. Intindihin mo na lang rin na lalaki is lalaki, ganun. Basta wag lang siya mambabae kasi, 'di ba? Alam mo na, mag-join force tayo para sa kanya. And then ayan, to both of you, matanda na tayo. Alam natin kung ano yung tama at saka mali. So, yun nga, alagaan nyo lang bawat isa and give the most unconditional love sa bawat isa to build your relationship even stronger. Okay? So, ayan, again, I'm very very happy and glad na kayo talaga ang nag-end up sa buhay. So, I hope pagdating nyo dito, meron na kaming inaanak na pwedeng kargahin at kurut-kurutin, charis lang. O, di ba? Syempre, expecting din kami, di ba, for sa offspring ninyo. So, again, I hope we can see each other very soon, and congratulations again mo.
Joy and Justin, wishing you a happy and long marriage.
Oh,
Congratulations.
congratulations.
Congratulations, Joy and Justin. From Cotabato with love. Love you, miss you.
Hello, Kuya Justin. Miss you.
Congrats, congrats.
Congrats!
Congrats. Congrats, Jazz and Love.
Gabriel, dali na. Ikaw na, sige na.
Congrats.
Dali na.
Congrats, Kuya Justin.
Ate Joy.
Ate Joy.
And Ate Joy.
Best wishes.
Hi girl, hi Just. Congratulations on your wedding and the lifetime of love and happiness ahead. Warm wishes on your big day as you start a new chapter of your life and love together. May God grant you both wisdom, blessing, and happiness, Jude. And may you both be a blessing not only for each other, but also sa mga tao around you. O siya, till here na lang ko ha. See you when I see you guys. Take care and stay happy and in love always. Bye.
Hi, Ate Joy and Kuya Justin. Congratulations. Wish namin na sana mapatibay ninyo ang relasyon na meron kayo at sana huwag nyo kalimutan na i-put si God sa center ng relationship ninyo. And wish ko na happy life.
And then, sa inyo, ang wish ko is pakatatag lang kayong dalawa through ups and downs. Kung may mga hindi pagkasunduan, is pag-usapan talaga. And then, pray always and ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye na, Liam.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Congratulations, Just and Joy. I'm so happy na finally nasa next level na tayo ng inyong relationship. Good luck and God bless a new journey you together as husband and wife. And I wish and pray for your happiness and for a successful marriage. Yun lang. Love you both.
Hi, Joy and Justin. I just want to say congratulations to both of you on this very, very special day. So, oy, take 2 na to, ha? Take 2 na. Tandaan mo, take 2 na to. So, I don't know if I'm gonna speak in English or Tagalog or maglalagay ba ako ng subtitle. Pero tamad kasi ako mag-edit at maglagay ng subtitle. So, I'll just speak in English, okay? So, to everyone watching this, I've met Joy few years back when we were grade 3 or grade school, elementary school. So, I think we both arrive on this elementary school at the same time, and that's grade 3. Actually, me and Joy are not that close because she's the one of the pretty girls in class and I'm just one of the weird ones. So yeah, me and Joy got close, I think high school, because we were on the same team for intramurals and we both represent dancing. So yeah, me and Joy likes dancing so much, so but she's much better than I am, and we both have different styles. She's more on the girly one and I'm on more on the tomboy side dances, so hip hop. I can do sexy dance, she knows that. So anyway, Joy is a great friend and a great part of a family. I consider all my elementary friends, classmates as one big family. So I consider her as my sister from another mother. So there you go. As for Justin, I haven't totally met him in person. Not as much as I can remember because we were in the same secondary school, so we're in the same high school. I'm not too familiar with him, so yeah, all I know Justin is Joy's boyfriend when few years ago, so that's all I know about him. But Joy told me all about him and he is really a nice guy. So Justin, please take care of my friend, my sister, my family, and of course welcome to the family of Joy, and of course to our circle. So if you are Joy's fiance, husband, family, then you are our family as well. So I wish you both good luck and happy marriage, and sana magka-baby na kayo para ako ang ninang. Charis! Ayun, ninang na maraming utang. So, ayun, I'll expect a baby soon. Okay? So, ayun nga guys, congratulations, happy wedding, happy marriage, and happy life. Just enjoy being a married couple, and kung may problema man, fix it right away, stay strong, and yun lang, that's it. So yeah, Bye.
Hello, Miat and Justin. Congrats, guys, sa inyong wedding day. You know what? I'm so happy na finally kaslo na jud mo. Wishing you well as you begin this next chapter of your life. May your love to each other will grow stronger, and may the years ahead of you will be filled with joy. I love you and see you soon. Bye.
Hello, folks. Enjoy. Pasensya, hindi kami makapunta sa wedding nyo. Wish you all the best, both. Love each other. And kita-kitaan tayo soon. Sige lang. Ingat-ingat kayo dyan. Regards sa lahat. Enjoy nyo lang. And love you both. Ingat.
Thank you. Best wishes, Ate Joy and Kuya Jaros.
Hello, Kuya Just and Ate Joy. Well wishes on this new chapter in your life. I know na you've prepared so much for this time, and I am really happy to see you flourish. And apologies lang if wala talaga kami during your wedding day, but rest assured that all the support and love that we have, guys, nandyan. Mamang and Pabing will always be there, and I know that they are really happy na you are together already. And ayun, see you soonest, and thank you so much for all the support that you have given. So again, well wishes on your wedding day.
Okay. From Korea with love, best wishes and congratulations, Justine and Joy Love. Shakaya!
Hi Joy, hi Justin. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa, Diyos ko. Parang every time na lang natatawag ako kay Joy Love, ang tinatanong ko, Joy, kailan? Kailan ba? Kailan ba? Nag-drop na ba ng question si Justin? Every time yun na lang tinatanong ko. Ayun, at least ngayon na finally nag-decide na kayo na to tie the knot. Congratulations, as in, from the bottom of my heart. Wini-wish ko kayo na parang correct. From now onwards, kumbaga, is sana yung life nyo is ma-filled pa ng more blessing, especially ngayon na nag-decide na kayo to build a family. Ang wish ko lang for the both of you, no, is sana bigyan nyo yung reason yung isa't isa na maging masaya. Even though, syempre, hindi naman lahat ng marriage is puro happiness. For sure, meron kayong mapagdadaanan na mahirap, ne? Pero ang wini-wish ko lang is, even though may mga stress na darating sa inyo, every time nag-a-argue kayo, isipin nyo yung moment na to kung bakit kayo nag-decide na mag-asawa. 'Di ba? Para kasi syempre, 'di ba, kung may problema, hindi niyo na problema 'yun as an individual, problema niyo na 'yan na both kayong dalawa. So wini-wish ko na sana kahit na through thick and thin, andyan kayo for the both of you. Tapos ayun, happiness, life full of happiness. Tsaka sana, ngayon, dati kasi inaabangan ko kung kailan kayo mag-aasawa. Ngayon, ang abangan ko naman is kung kailan kayo magkaka-baby. Ay, balita na lang tayo. Gusto ko sana, andyan ako sa wedding ninyo, pero Diyos ko, layo nyo. Ayun. So, ayun, congratulations sa wedding ninyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa, especially Joy. Diyos ko, Lord, malayo man tayo, alam mo na I'm here mag-celebrate sa wedding ninyo. I love you both. Ingat.
Hi to my kumparing ninyo. Congratulations sa inyo ni Joy Love. More babies to come.
Best wishes and enjoy your wedding day.
Just, Joy Love, pautang. Joke lang. Gusto ko lang mag-congratulate sa inyo sa darating nyo na kasal. Nung high school tayo, naalala ko na si Justin mapagbiro talaga, tarantado, makulit. Pero nakikita ko kay Justin is sa lahat ng bagay is magaling siya. Magawa ng poem, mag-drawing. At saka yung isa pa na nabibilib ako kay Justin is siya,
seryoso pagdating sa relasyon. So yun lang. Justin, Joy Love, congratulations. Happy marriage. Congratulations sa kasal niya. Happy marriage. And yun lang. Hindi ko lang nasama si Mrs. kasi nagpapahinga pa.
To Justin and Joy, congratulations on your wedding. Actually, nagtanong pa kay Jang kung ano bang sasabihin na message sa mga ikakasal. Because I've been to many weddings, but this is the first time that I would be giving a message. Doon pa sa kasal na hindi ko mapuntahan. Dahil wala namang nagpadala ng ticket papuntang Canada. But seriously, to Joy, because we haven't personally met, I am Eira, kapitbahay ni Justin dito sa Cotabato. And sometimes, kachat niya sa PlayStation Network. You know, Justin has always been our funny guy. And maybe that's one of the many reasons why you both are meant together. Dahil kailangan niya ng audience na patatawanin for the rest of your lives. And bilang auto-liker ako ng mga masasayang relasyon sa social media, I have seen and heard the genuineness of your bond. And we are very thankful because of your love and support sa brother namin na si Justin. To Justin, ano pa bang masasabi ko kundi sana all, di ba? You know, yan siguro ang regalo ni God sa mga taong mahilig magpasaya, yung magiging swerte sa love life. And I hope you spend both of your lives together filled with happiness, with laughter, with love, and blessings from God. And I hope to see you both soon. And congratulations ulit.
Congratulations, you guys.
Hey, yeah, wanted to reach out to you guys, say congratulations. I know the original plan was for us to be there, but Xavier showed up, so you know, we couldn't make it there this year. But we'll definitely have plans sometime next year to show up there and celebrate with you guys. But you know, we are with you guys in spirit, and yeah, enjoy your big day.
Say congrats, Auntie and Uncle.